Alrighty, we should be live again. Let me just double check. But it should be live. Alright, we are. Good stuff, good stuff. So let's see if anyone gets in here. It'll be interesting to see if we get downstream winter weather advisories, because I mean we do have heavy snow that's going to be pushing to the east in Ohio. Road conditions back here in Milwaukee are honestly looking pretty good. Roads look pretty cleared, and there's the snowplow coming through right there. You can tell here in a moment, we're going to be able to see some heavier snow that's going to be moving in to Milwaukee, so definitely be watching for that. Alright. So we still have some pretty heavy snowfall that is mixing in here to portions east of St. Louis, as you can tell. We do have some pretty heavy snow, picking up 40 dBz. I don't know if this is just contamination. No, so we do have snow showers out here. Yo, what's up, Henry? So we do have some passing snow showers west of our winter weather advisories in Nebraska. Nine inches, good for you. Good morning. So here in Indianapolis, this kind of interesting. Seems like the freezing line is getting pretty close there. Let's go ahead and turn on our temperature. And yeah, right around 31 just to the south of Indianapolis, as you can tell. So we're keeping an eye on that, as that could be a big shift. Does not appear as if we do not have winter weather advisories across this area. We got winter storm warnings, and it drops to the south. I don't know. I'd say we need winter weather advisories downstream here. Maybe across this area, since rain is filling in across here. But Indianapolis definitely has some snow on the way. Let me know where you guys are all tuning in from. If you need a forecast, I will gladly give that. Latest model run should be coming in soon. Let's pull up Pivotal Weather again. West Coast, yeah, that's gonna be pretty dead. Pretty dead. Over the next month, really nothing. I mean, GFS shows 300 hours out, rain and thunderstorms, higher elevation snow, but apart from that, can't really trust that far out, so. Newest model run should be coming in soon. No really good models that we need to look at. I guess the GEFS. It's like 100% chance back in Kansas City. Let's zoom into that. Yeah, man, like 100% chance right now is with the GEFS, the GFS Ensemble. What it's showing, about 100% chance of an inch of snow on Monday. How about 4 inches? That'll be interesting. That's gotta be up there, surely. Nope. Only a 16% chance. That's interesting. So I thought I would show this real fast. But we can tell where our cold front is that is coming through because we have a big dip in the temperatures. It's kind of sitting right around here right now. Because you can tell we go from, I don't know, it's not really there. More of around right through here. Because it's going to be pushing south because we have 40s and 50s across here and low 30s across that area. So cold front is definitely pushing through. I hear we have heavy snow at the Michigan versus Ohio State game. Or it's gonna be getting heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my TV so I can go ahead and update you with updates from that game. So let's go ahead and go with this. Obviously it's gonna be muted so we do not get copyrighted. I don't know what channel it's on. Fox, okay. Yo, what's going on, Weather Warrior? Good to see you. I'm putting the Ohio State Michigan game on my TV. Yo, thank you. Alright, got the game up now. Gotta stay hydrated. Make sure to like and share the stream so we get it out to as many people as possible. What's going on, Redbird? I hope you are doing well. So if you are in St. Louis, your chances of snow are quickly going away. Freezing line is beginning to shift further and further to the east, which means you are warming up behind it, and all this rain is heading your way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the severe threat for tonight right now. Back there in Texas. Let's go HRRR. Not 12Z, 17Z. Not snowfall either. It's around 6 o'clock. Looks like we're going to get storms to fire. We'll probably be live whenever that happens. SIGTOR values are extremely low, so I don't think our tornado threat will perform. We're lacking in stability too. I'm gonna be honest, tonight, severe threat back here in Texas does not look that good. And I honestly think the highest severe threat is going to come right in here. Let's go ahead. I think our highest severe threat will definitely be right in here. As storms first fire with that hail threat, I think that'll be our biggest severe risk. Really not much to talk about right now. Looks like snow is about to really start picking up here in Milwaukee. So that's the winter storm severity index. Let's go here. Here we are. So winter weather area. As we head into. So this is where our highest risks are going to be. So yeah, near 100% for at least winter weather impacts across a very large area. Chance for minor impacts quickly dwindles, though. We got a area here that it's gonna be likely to happen, and then we're gonna have another area here that it's going to be likely to happen. So we'll definitely be watching for that. Which, if we have like almost 100%, I mean that's almost 100% chance in Kansas City. So if we have that, surely our moderate is something. Only a 10% chance, which means our major impacts are going to be 0, aren't they? Yeah. Do we have extreme impact chances still? Yeah. Low but not impossible for extreme impact chances still today from snow. So we're just gonna keep watching that. Man, St. Louis is finally getting the rain. And here to the southeast of Greenville, we are finally seeing all this heavy snow that we had. Some of it is starting to change into heavy rain. So I feel bad for them, but just what is happening. Sounds good, Henry. I'm gonna try and get some footage of next week's system. If I get anything, that is. I'm hoping I get something. I mean, right now, I'm looking as it being a 93% chance to get a trace of ice to, what is that? To a 500th of an inch of ice. So a trace to 0.05 inches of ice is 93% chance for me. And I have a 54% chance to see a coating to an inch of snow. Well, I just hope I see something. I will say my chances have been on the rise somewhat, but it's kind of been flipping back and forth for me. So Omaha snow chances are pretty much done. And we have been getting all of our winter weather advisories dropped as the snow moves out. And we did just get a special weather statement. So, heavy lake effect snow. So, may get some snow squall warnings. We have a few special weather statements. Very heavy snow ongoing, though, across a very large area right now. My National Weather Service has put out the hazardous weather outlook. Let me check on this. Wow. So for this afternoon and tonight, significant winds. So Sunday, it's saying high wind potential. Monday, winter weather potential. And then no hazards for the rest of the week. So now they're saying there's a low chance from some spotty light freezing rain on Monday. They expect a band of heavier precipitation to spread south. They're expecting light icing, though, to 1/10 of an inch. A light glaze is possible in lower elevations. Possibly some slick spots. Minor travel impacts could linger into Tuesday morning. Light snow is possible Monday evening. Little to no accumulation is expected. Interesting. Just so tiny of flakes there in the Ohio State Michigan game. It's like not leading to anything really. They are saying though that there could be an increase as we head throughout the rest of the game. I'm gonna look where the game's at. Ann Arbor. It should just stay light snow. I mean, this stuff is slowly moving in, but really nothing too much. And this will all eventually head up there. But for the rest of the game, it should remain pretty light. Not like these teams aren't used to the snow. Does anyone know if the gym model is actually accurate or not? So I'm seeing a lot of stuff of it showing something. I don't know which one I should use. Why don't we look at both? I hear it's showing an interesting scenario though for Monday. If that were to occur, that would be interesting. Like, can I zoom in? This is the... We don't have a southern plains sector. Which means I'm not going to be able to look further south, am I? That... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get it any further south, really. I can get it there, but this is like a dead spot. Let's just go Midwest here. That is absolutely crazy. Oh, showing like 26 inches for St. Louis. Yeah, I know. What about... If this were to happen right here, we would have a major ice storm on our hands along with snowstorm. And let me have to get around everything here and see. I don't know, it's not the most accurate model. It is an accurate model. It's not better than the GFS or European. I'm not going to rule that out of the cards, though. I mean, we're really not going to know what our next system is going to do until this one exits. Let's go... Yeah, it's worthless to try and go to a different sector. Just like trace a snow out of it. I don't even know. Hold on. Yeah. I'm not even sure. Like the Euro? Who knows at this point? 18Z HRR's coming, and it may get us out far enough. It may get us close, actually. How far is this next system? It can go 48 hours out. So this is the image that we'll likely be looking something similar to at the end of the HRR's next run. So we're going to keep that in mind here, and we're going to go to this, this, and this. This is a big model run here, actually, because if it shows something back across this area, then it could definitely be changing a lot of things. So we're going to keep an eye on this and see how